Imagine a world with no forests, no birds singing, no bees buzzing, and no colorful fish in the ocean. That's what life would look like without biodiversity. Today, I want to talk about biodiversity and why it is important for our planet and for us. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity simply means the variety of life on Earth. It includes all living organisms, plants, animals, fungi, and even tiny microbes. We often think of it in three main levels: genetic diversity, difference within species, like different breeds of dogs or rice varieties. Species diversity, the variety of species in an ecosystem, from elephants to butterflies. Ecosystem diversity, the different habitats like forests, deserts, rivers, and coral reefs. Why is biodiversity important? Ecosystem balance. Every species has a role. Predators control population. Plants produce oxygen and decomposes, recycle nutrients. Without balance, ecosystem collapse. Food security. Biodiversity gives us crops, livestock, and fisheries. A variety of species ensure we don't depend on just one food source. Medicine. Many life-saving medicine like aspirin from willow trees or cancer drugs from rainforest plants come from nature. Losing species means losing potential cure. Climate regulation. Forests, wetlands, and oceans absorb carbon and regulate the Earth's climate. Destroying them speed up global warming. Economy and livelihoods. Millions of people depend on biodiversity for farming, fishing, tourism, and crafts. Culture and spiritual value. From scared groves in Africa to the Amazon rainforest tribe, biodiversity shapes human culture, tradition, and identity. Threat to biodiversity. Unfortunately, biodiversity is under threat due to deforestation, pollution, overfishing and hunting, climate change, habitat destruction. Scientists warn we are facing a cease mass extinction if we don't act. How can we protect it? The good news is we can still make a difference. Protecting biodiversity means creating and supporting protected areas like national parks, practicing sustainable farming and fishing, reduce pollution and waste, support reforestation and wildlife conservation projects. Biodiversity isn't about saving animals and plants. It is about saving ourselves. Without biodiversity, our ecosystem, our food, our medicine, and even our cultures collapse. So when we are protecting biodiversity, we are protecting the future for all species, including humans.